We're here at the AMTC today to catch up with two of our apprentices, Joe and Tyler, and all of their journey has been made possible by the support received from Lloyds Bank. Working with our regional account manager to access their SME programme has given us financial support for that period of time that they're away from the business.
So at an early age, about 14 or 15, I discovered my interest in engineering. My granddad was a quality engineer for Jaguar Land Rover, so I thought I'd follow in his footsteps within that role. So when I did discover my interest, I was looking for colleges, apprenticeships, anything to do with engineering. And I came across the AMTC, and as I did, I was just really interested in the facilities and the training that they offer. I started October 2020 and completed my first year October 2021, and then once I finished that, I then entered industry at Technoset and have been there for about 6 months so far. What I enjoyed most was benefiting my knowledge, and as well as working as a team with others, being able to help each other, so I could then apply my knowledge into industry as well as my teamwork and helping other people out within an industry. So I started with measurement and drawing to solidify the foundations, to then apply into turning, milling, hand fitting, fluid power. So doing measurement and drawing has helped my role in Technoset the most. So being a quality engineer, I need to understand what I'm doing with the measurements and how to read drawings as such.